And if you want to build and take it a step further, you can look at the website, your workout plans, diet plans, if you actually want to start building and take it the next step further. That's what you can do if you want to do that. But for now, for the reset, we're coming to the end. And the next phase will be to build. We're just going to take it up a step further, just a little bit further. Because you can actually start going to the gym, start working, start building your body, start eating healthier, and transform your life, transform your habits. Because when you have bad habits, because you might fix everything spiritually, where you are spiritually, but if your habits are bad with your food, with how you treat your body, it's easy for those thought patterns to come back. Because if you're not confident in your body, you're not healthy, it's going to be harder to perform. Because again, we're linked. Our body, our spirits, they're linked. That is why Paul is also talking about making our bodies a living sacrifice, making them holy. And holy means that what we put in our bodies matters. What we do to our bodies matters. It all matters. We are a living sacrifice. So it means that debauchery, hedonism, those are things that we should put to the side as believers, as Christians. We come forward with our bodies because they are the temples of the Holy Spirit. God's Spirit wants to dwell in us. So what we do with our bodies matter. That's how we build. That's how we build those spirits. Because once we reset, it's like, okay, we want to grow. Paul also talks about infants. Because what we've covered now is like just the basics. Infantry stuff. Because now we can build. We just scheme the surface off everything. And then we can build on top of what we just covered. Because when it comes to our lives, we can talk about how we can be thriving in all areas of our lives so that we have control of our lives. Everything that we see. Because God, again, has given us dominion. And we need to live like it. When we walk, when we serve, because I talked about serving again, what we're being called to do, loving our neighbors, going out to help other people. Because the moment you take this reset, you build, you master it, you're going to be in a position where you can also help other people and help them with the same stuff, same tools. Or if there's something that you learned over the past couple of days that you're like, okay, Nate, I love this. Take it. Feel free to take some of the stuff, help other people that are around you. Feel free to do that. Feel free to share, take it, help other people. Because it's not about just us. It's about advancing the kingdom. And if you have ideas like, Nate, I think you should include this, let me know too. Send me an email. My email should be somewhere. And if you sign up, I'm sure you probably have my email somewhere. I'm probably sending you emails too. But if you don't have my email, it's Nate at Nate08 Fitness. So N8008 Fitness.com. Nate at Nate08 Fitness.com. You can find this email on my profile. Maybe I'll also put it in the description. But what I'm saying is, just think about what could life look like in maybe a year. You've reset, you've built other people in your life that might need help. that might be looking up to you because you're probably a leader in some ways. That's where we want to get to, where you can help other people. I've done my part to help you, and you're going to help someone else. That person helps someone else. That person helps someone. And that's it. Because other people have helped me, and I'm also coming to help you. And that's how it works. That's how we build the kingdom. That's how